Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to my Star Atlas recap of the latest Lore Keepers from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Lore Keepers was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. The YouTube video, Chaos in C4. Borders, Factions, and Future Conflicts provides a comprehensive update on Star Atlas, covering upcoming releases, lore, and community events. The speaker, along with Agent Solace and Dr. Duffin Smith, expressed significant excitement about the current phase of Star Atlas, highlighting that the most substantial releases in the company's history are imminent. A major announcement is the impending return of Core, with the first episode of its continuation slated for release very soon. This new core content, featuring drafts developed with artist Ching, will detail the events leading up to the Convergence War, introducing key characters and illustrating how faction tensions escalated into a conflict that nearly annihilated intelligent life in the GI expanse. Additionally, players will gain deeper insights into characters such as Paisu Belu and the leadership of the Mud and Ooster factions. Looking forward, Star Atlas Summer is on the horizon, marked by 3 important town halls, scheduled for July 30th, August 13th, and August 27th. Each of these events will be dedicated to a distinct product launch, representing the largest series of releases for the company. These town halls, along with the new products, will be rich with lore information, showcasing the initial manifestations of the expanding Star Atlas lore world. Preceding these events is Community Week, running from July 28th to August 1st. A communal celebration where the entire Star Atlas community can participate in various activities and challenges, ranging from trivia and Discord games to UE5 matches. Participation is free, and engagement earns community tickets that can be redeemed in a drawing for prizes, including valuable large ships. The goal of Community Week is to foster community spirit and prepare players for the forthcoming summer season of massive releases. The discussion also delved into new lore ideas, specifically concerning new factions and scenarios for Holocene. The speaker reminded viewers that Star Atlas traditionally features 3 main factions: the Ooster, enlightened android entities; the ONI Consortium, comprising diverse species like Punabs, Miris, Souls, and Fotoli; and the Muds, Menutzimna Divina, the primary human faction. Beyond these major political powers, the vast GI expanse, encompassing approximately 1,000 sectors and 3,000 planets, is home to numerous minor factions, including the Jarvik Pirates, Eos Terrorists, Black Market Organizations, and the Paladins of Gata. 2 new minor factions were introduced: the Umbra Court and the Hopla Insurance Company, though the latter was not discussed in detail due to time constraints. The Umbra Court, whose name is provisional, is a species of parasitic shadows originating from the planet Andarea in the high-risk zone. Naturally appearing as slime-like ooze, they initially fed on small creatures, gradually controlling their hosts. Their nature profoundly changed during the Convergence War on Andarea, a planet rich in rayonite, a crucial energy catalyst mineral. During intense battles between Ooster and Mud forces, the Umbras began to possess dying soldiers. Upon inhabiting a host, particularly a Soyan, the creature gains access to memories, develops intelligence and will, and can even heal the host's injuries while taking over the body. Following the faction's retreat, the Umbras possessed all remaining individuals on the planet, forming a stratified society that mirrors the organizational structures of the Soyans and Muds. Their society prioritizes acquiring high-quality hosts, with social advancement directly tied to the host quality. The pinnacle of their society is the Twilight Lord, who is believed to possess a Fotoli body. This Twilight Lord maintains control by manipulating and pitting the highly competitive Umbra families against each other, preventing them from expanding beyond Andrea. A key piece of alpha lore reveals that the Fotoli host, Val Fotova, is merely feigning control, and some high-ranking Umbras are aware of this deception and are actively plotting his demise. Depending on future events, the Umbra Court could emerge as a major threat to the galaxy or face eradication. While most Umbras view hosts as mere resources, a minor faction, the Coruscant family, advocates for a symbiotic relationship. Despite the Twilight Lord's decree, Umbra's attempt to leave the planet, engaging in slave trading and bartering Rayonite, or their organic matter. Their organic matter is a legendary, in-game ingredient used to create augmentations that boost crew members' mental and physical capabilities. If a crew member is infected, specific substances can act as an antidote, forcing the creature out and potentially saving the host if applied before irreversible mind erosion occurs. Though most Umbras see others as livestock, negotiation with the symbiotic faction might be possible based on player relationships. When an Umbra leaves a host, it retains certain traits from that host. Reproduction requires Umbras to temporarily leave their hosts, making them vulnerable, and infected individuals can be identified by physical changes or high-tier medical scans. Lastly, the speaker shared ideas for future Holocene scenarios, particularly a PvE, player versus environment campaign. While Holocene Chapter 0 currently simulates an economic war, the proposed PvE scenario explores a what-if premise. What if civilization in Galia collapses? In this scenario, all players would belong to the same faction, representing the last survivors from the Mud, Ooster, and ONI populations aboard a failing Titan ship. The core objective would be to rebuild civilization in the GI Expanse after an extinction-level event destroys existing structures. Players would start with minimal resources and embark on a quest to colonize planets, rediscover lost technologies, re-establish supply chains, and complete quests to restore society. This scenario is envisioned as a more RPG-like and lore-centric experience, featuring random events and interactions with various alien species, many of which would be hostile. Unlike current gameplay, players could actually lose this game, fighting against the map and the game masters. This PvE approach would also streamline lore creation, as all players would experience a unified narrative, discovering the cause of civilization's collapse together. The positive community feedback indicates strong interest in this PvE concept, though its implementation might follow more PvP-focused seasons.